Hello everybody, I have been making YouTube content for over 12 years. I have over 4,000 videos on YouTube, millions of views on various content over the years and whatnot. And I get this all the time, how do I start a YouTube channel? And basically, if you're asking that question, that means you're almost never going to start a YouTube channel. If you really want to do anything in life, you're just going to go out there and make it happen. So, do you need a camera? Yeah, of course you need a camera. Anybody would know that. Some lighting, maybe. Probably the more important thing is some type of content. What are you going to talk about? What are you going to make? What's your niche? What's something you're going to do? Myself, I'm the internet legend. I make music. I do funny videos. I do interesting content. I do educational material. So I do anything that I feel like doing. And I've been doing this for over 12 years. And of course, over 10 years, I posted a video every single day on YouTube. Try to do that. Yeah. So it's pretty amazing, and if you really want to make a YouTube channel, you can. You just have to go out there and make it happen. So don't ask that question. How do I make a YouTube channel? No, just go out there and make a YouTube channel. So compute that. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to this channel because that would totally compute. If you know someone that could use this type of inspiration, share this channel with them. Yeah, and click on the bell. Ding dong.